What's up? Welcome back to BbqBourbon and Blues. I'm your host Kelii Word, along with
Skip.
All right, and we here again, bringing you another tailgating dish. All right, today we're gonna be doing lemon pepper wings. All right, so these lemon pepper wings have been soaking all night. All right, in freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's got coarse black pepper. It's got just a sprinkle. You don't need much, just a sprinkle of kosher salt. And you hit it with a little zest of the lemon. And we like taking a little bit of the lemon peel, slicing it up real thin, throw it in the bag, mix it up real good too. All right?
All right, for those that don't know how to cook, tell them what the zest is.
All right, so the zest on the lemon, you get you a little grater type of deal. You take your lemon, okay? I wish I had a lemon with it, but the yellow part of the lemon, the skin. That's what we call it. The skin or the peel. You just take your little grater, and you don't want to go real deep with it. You just want to get the skin of the lemon zest inside of the bag, all right? And then take you a little bit of the peel, slice it up real good, stick it in the bag with it, give it a nice little shake, like so. Then you put it in your bowl and let it sit in the refrigerator all night, okay? So, we're still in our tailgate mode. So since we're tailgating, we're gonna say Tennessee State tailgate or Titans or Chiefs, you know, Chiefs Kingdom.
Steelers.
Chiefs Kingdom.
Or
We
Steelers,
running
or
it.
Pittsburgh
But
Steelers.
okay, so since we're still in our tailgate mode, I'm gonna get you to pour another shot.
All right, we still on this Maker's Mark. Kelii has done smoked his cigar. He's down to the Black and Milds now.
That's right. I'm gonna smoke the Black and Mild. That's right.
And don't forget, when you smoke a Black and Mild, it's not like doing a regular cigar where you kind of toast the cigar and warm it up a little bit. He gonna freak it.
Yeah.
You know how that?
Yeah.
You know, you keep it in the plastic and
You
you rub it down like that.
Yeah, so the draw will be right. That's right.
You don't need a cigar poker for that, huh?
Nah, I don't need a cutter.
With
With the good thing about Black and Mild Select, Black and Mild is you don't need a cutter, you don't need a punch or a torch. You can light it with a regular lighter.
big lighter.
Look, it don't matter if
Or
it's
that dollar lighter with
That's
the clear
right.
with the gas in it.
clear with the gas in it. All right, here we go. All right. Now back to the barbecue. All right, these lemon pepper wings, like I told you, the recipe for the marinade for you to do it at home, so you can show out in your backyard at your family cookouts, or you know, at your tailgate or wherever you may be. You gonna be the king or the queen of it. All right, we gonna get these in the bowl. We gonna get them on the smoker. They've been, like I said, marinating all night long. Okay.
All right, now these right here go straight to the grate.
These right here go.
They don't have to go on the chicken pan
No.
the chicken screen. They go straight to the
No,
grate.
no.
Whole wings, right?
That's right. Whole wings. We going straight to the grate with these.
Let's go
Yeah,
straight to
absolutely.
the grate.
Straight to the grate. You take it and shake it off a little bit. Then just throw them in the bowl. They've been marinating all night, so you ain't got to worry about nothing. The flavor's there. Guarantee it. Make sure when you, like I said, before you marinate, when you get ready to marinate them, before you go to sleep, you want to start these early. And before you go to sleep, you're going to go to your fridge, flip them over, shake them up again, give them another little shake.
Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake.
Yep.
Like you shooting dice.
That's right. You got it. Now, as you can see, you see the lemon. You got all that lemon in there. Hey, man, you can use that lemon pepper seasoning from the store if you want. I prefer to do it this way. You get that lemony. It's just delicious, man. I can't explain it.
I say on the pepper, are you using coarse black pepper?
Yeah, you can use coarse black pepper.
You gotta grind it up.
You can grind it up, or you can just buy it coarse in the little
just
bottle.
Just some black pepper. Can you use
regular
black pepper?
Yeah, you can use regular black pepper if that's what you got. Whatever you got at home, that's what you want to use. Okay. All right. So we're gonna take these. We're gonna get these out, and then I'll meet you at the smoker in a few minutes. All right. Thank you for tuning in to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. See you in a second. Welcome back, man. We down here at the grill. At the smoker, Masterbuilt 1050, but like I've said, you could do this on any grill or any smoker. You just want to make sure you're on indirect heat, excuse me. Now, if you're on one of those little portable with the
little round
grill, or the little bitty, the beast, as they call it, you want to make sure to have your charcoal on one side, and you can do 3-4 wings at a time.
With that little bitty one, man, you got to be in your back.
Yeah, you got to be down, but you put 2 of them on there.
Put 2 pieces of charcoal on there?
No, man, 2 pieces of chicken.
No.
Don't worry about it. All right, so we're about to get these on the Masterbuilt 1050 as usual. We don't use nothing but the best, of course. So we're on the Masterbuilt 1050 with the Kingsford charcoal and B&B wood chunks, okay? That's what I use. Feel free to use whatever you like, okay? Now, I'm gonna take these wings, as you can see, with that real lemon juice, zest of a lemon, pepper, and all of that. And these are going straight to the grate. You ain't got nothing to say about that, Bob?
Oh man, they're going straight to that. They're gonna be good. You know what I'm saying?
Straight to the grate.
You got them straight to the grate.
Yeah.
Straight to the grate.
Going straight to the grate with them. You don't have to have these on the pan, man. They're going straight to the grate. They're gonna do well. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these on here. We'll see you back in a few minutes. Oh, wait for a second. Come on up a little closer. And let me see, and let them see what I'm doing here. All right, come on in, man.
Yeah, we straight to the grate.
We're going straight to the grate.
Tailgate series, so other hot wings are still going.
That's right.
And got other hot wings going straight to the grate.
Going straight to the grate with these. We put them up here so you can see. They're gonna get that little sizzle. Ooh, they dropping already. It's dropping already. All right, man. We got them on. And you'll still have a few little chunks of your lemon zest in there. Set it on top of them.
It ain't gonna hurt.
It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Might get each few extra little flavor. There you go. That look pretty too. All right, we're gonna get this closed down. Then we'll see you back in a little while.
Still earning my check.
He's still earning my check. That's right.
Now I'm drinking the champagne of beers.
Miller High Life. All right, we'll catch y'all in a few. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. See you later. Welcome back. Here we go again. Tailgate series. Finishing up these lemon pepper wings. They are up to temp and ready to go. We're about to get them off of this Masterbuilt 1050 with the Kingsford and the B&B wood chunks. But like I said earlier, you could do this on any smoker or grill. Just make sure you're on indirect smoke. The directions, the marinades and the directions will be in the steps below in the details. So make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe and like the channel. All right. I'm gonna get these off of here. See that? These will make sure with that real lemon, you got to squeeze those lemons and get that real lemon juice. All right. Then you use the instructions below, and I guarantee you will be the king or queen of your tailgates or cookouts. All right. There we go. Got some other stuff on here. I'm about to get that asparagus off of there. Hey, the family and friends love these. I'm telling you. They look good. See that little char on them? But they up to temp, ready to go. We're gonna let them rest. Then we'll be back to you. All right. Lemon pepper, Tailgate series.
Throw some more lemon zest on
Yeah, you can put a little more lemons, like he said, put a little more lemon zest on here if you got it. A little parsley, you'll be ready to go. All right, for presentation wise. All right, catch you in a minute. BbqBourbon&Blues. See you later.